Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to get notifications when you're tagged by anyone in Facebook on your PC. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to ensure you never miss a tag notification again. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook. Step 2. Click on the notification icon located at the top right corner of the screen. It looks like a bell icon. Step 3. Next, click on the three dots to access more options. Step 4. Click on Notification Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 5. In the Notification Settings window, click on Tags to open the Tag Notification Settings. Step 6. Finally, check the option Anyone to receive notifications whenever you're tagged by anyone on Facebook. And there you have it. You now know how to get notifications when you're tagged by anyone in Facebook on your PC. Stay connected and never miss a tag notification again. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Until next time.